Hi, my name is Catalin Voico and I'm a system engineer with AWS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an immutable storage repository for Azure. First of all, head to storage repositories on the left-hand side, click on the new button, and then select Azure Storage Repository. Then you can enter a nice name here, for example, Storage Repo 1. You will be prompted to select a user, an account from the drop-down list here, and obviously a subscription. Once you select your subscription, you will be able to select a resource group, a location, and then one of your existing storage accounts in this subscription, resource group, and location. Once you have selected the storage account, you will be able to check this box here for immutable backups. In here, you have actually two options. One, let the server generate a lease ID internally, right? As you can see here, AWS will create this lease ID and will use it to protect the objects, the data that you will put into this storage repository. Only with AWS, you will be able to delete that data. So once the backups are past their retention time, they can be deleted by AWS, but you will not be able to delete them manually. If you want the second option, you can specify a lease ID. You can generate one here, then copy it somewhere safe, and make sure to keep it because this will not be displayed again. And anyone who will have this lease ID will be able to delete the data.